Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have brought a very useful tutorial regarding ring light. In this video, I will show you how to unbox and set up a ring light very easily. And that is why I'm requesting you to watch this video till the very end. At first, I have to unbox all the materials from the packet. After unboxing all the materials from the packet, you need to set up the ring stand first, because ring stand is on which you have to set up the light. At the bottom of the ring light, as you can see, there is a screw patch hole. So you have to set the ring light with the stand as per demonstration in the video. There will be a ball hook like this in your packet. So you have to add or set up this ball hook with your ring light as per you can see in this video. This is the camera hook, and you have to set up this camera hook with the ball hook as per the instruction in the video. So our ring light setup is done, and now we will show you how to use it. In this ring light there is a USB cable by which you have to get the power supply of the light. Besides, there are also some buttons like power button, plus button, minus button, and light mood changing button. When you click the power button, the light will be on, and when you click the power button again, the light will be off. If you press the plus button, the brightness of the light will be increased, and if you press the minus button, the brightness of the light will be decreased. In this switch box, there is another button called light mode changing button. If you press this button, the mode of the light will be automatically changed from light to dark or off-white or light orange color. So this is how you have to set up a ring light. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you really enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share this video, and of course subscribe to our channel.